this video, I'm going to show you how to perform a binary logistic in SPSS. So I'll show you how to run a binary logistic as well as Fashion, and I will show you how to compute all odd ratio in order to deepen the interpretation of results. And if it's the first time you are watching a video, let us subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't hesitate to like video concerning binary logistic. Is a method used in statistics in order to predict a phenomena that has just two alternatives. So for example, in this video we'll take an example of assisted delivery in hospital and see what are the factors that can explain whether or not women decide to deliver in health facility center or at home. So run binary logistic, just need to go in statistics, binary outcome, and then choose logistic regression reporting coefficients. So when you click on it, you have the possibility to choose for the dependent variable. My dependent variable is assisted delivery. So variable assisted delivery, take the value 0 if women in of the sample deliver in the 0 if the women not deliver in the health facility, and 1 if women deliver in health facility. So independent variable are variable that can influence the choice to deliver in health facility. Here is my variable type of place of residence. So I select my variable type of place of residence, but I will put I dot in order to tell STATA that my variable type of place of residence will be treated as a qualitative variable. So I have the wealth index, which is a quantitative variable. Select my variable wealth index. So I also have women age, education of the women, which is qualitative. So I will put I dot behind the variable. I have partner education. So I can now click on OK, and you can see that my logistic regression has been estimated. You can see that women age is not statistically significant, didn't influence significantly on the decision on whether or not to have an assisted delivery. So we have other type of place of residence. Rural have a negative impact on the decision to deliver in health facilities. So when women who live in rural area are likely not to deliver in facility than those who are in urban areas. So we also have a wealth index. So wealth have a positive because the coefficient is positive. So the age is not significant because p value is more than 5%. Have education, primary. Difference here is not education. So primary, secondary, and high education are significant on the decision of whether or not to deliver in health facility. We have, for example, education of the partner. So I have treated the education of the partner as quantitative. So I will go in statistics, binary outcome, logistic regression, and change partner education in order to make it the qualitative variable. So I put I dot and re-estimate my model. So we can see that education of partner is treated now that like qualitative variable. So we have a modality that are not so that's what we can do for the binary logistic outcome. I will remove for now the partner education in my model to make it simple. Here are a variable. We have our model which is here. So the age is now significant. So when the age increase, the probability to have an assisted delivery increase. So how to compute odds ratio in order to deepen the analysis? So to compute the odds ratio of this logistic regression, just go on statistic, binary outcome, and choose the second option, logistic regression reporting odds ratio. So I click on OK. So I will select the same dependent variable assisted delivery. My first variable is type of place of residence, here. Please use I dot because type of place of residence is treated as qualitative. So we have wealth index, we have age of women, we have education, which should be treated as qualitative. I dot and then click on OK, and you can see that odds ratio have been computed. We have a negative odds ratio for and significant odds ratio for rural area. The reference variable modality here is urban. So in rural area, women are 0.7 times more likely to have assisted delivery than those in urban area, and the confidence interval is 0.66 to 0.77. So we have also the wealth index, which have odds ratio that is almost more equal to 1, meaning that when the wealth index increased by 1%, the probability to have an assisted delivery increase by 1%. So that's the same thing for age. So we have education. Women that are in primary education sector are 2 times likely to have a healthy rate than those in that have no education. Reference modality here is no education. So I can tabulate out my variable education so that you can see that there are 4 modalities. We have no education, primary, second, and high education. This model, no education, has been chosen as reference modality. So those in secondary education are 3 times likely to deliver in health facility than those in that have no education. So the higher education didn't significantly influence on the decision whether or not to deliver in health facility, so that we cannot interpret both ratio. So that's it for this video, and we hope you are very happy to understand to run and interpret logistic regression by coefficient and odd ratio.